Hello and welcome to Pliersman, your home for everything you need to know about pliers. Today we're going to review the Lisle 47900 hose remover pliers. It is one of the best tools for removing stuck and stubborn car, vacuum hoses and fuel hoses. So stay tuned and I'll be right back after this break. Welcome back. So this is the Lisle hose remover tool, model number 47900. It comes in this simple package and costs just a few bucks. In this review, I will look at its properties and use it to take off some small hoses. So let's dive right into its features. As you can see, the Lisle hose remover pliers tool is fully metallic. It is made of steel. One side of the pliers has a black coating and the other one is galvanized. The coated side goes onto the tube while the other one goes where the hose starts on the tube. So this hose remover tool has a V-groove on each jaw and the widest gap on the groove is just over half an inch. Pliers are spring loaded and open very smoothly, providing excellent leverage. One squeeze on the handles can push a hose over 1¼ inches, which is more than enough for most small hoses in a car. I'm talking about the transmission lines, fuel lines and vacuum lines. And just for your information, you cannot use the Lisle 47900 hose remover pliers on radiator hoses because they are too small. So let us look at how this tool works on the hoses of my 2006 Subaru Impreza. I will try to use it on a vacuum hose, a fuel hose and a power steering hose that tends to get so tight. Remember, the black jaw goes onto the tube because it has a sharp edge that bites into the tube to provide anchorage as you squeeze the handles to slide the hose off. However, from my experience, as you will see later in the video, the sharp edge does not bite into metal tubes so well and sometimes tends to skid, leaving bad marks on the tube. I did not like these about this tool. If you're here by now, I know you definitely like these videos, so I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section on what you think about this tool. Is it something you'd want to add to your tool collection? Please let me know. My 2 cents about the Lisle 47900 hose remover pliers is that it is a great inexpensive tool suitable for removing small vacuum hoses, fuel hoses and transmission hoses. However, make sure you follow the instructions properly to avoid damaging the hoses and the tubes. If you would like to learn more about hose remover pliers, please check out the article I've linked in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to watch more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to know when I post a new video. On a side note, this video is not sponsored by Lisle Tools. It's bye bye from me and see you on the next one.